These everyday foods could be silently wrecking your liver. First up, fructose and added sugars, found in sodas, fruit juices, and sweets. Next, beware of unhealthy fats. Those crispy fries and processed snacks loaded with saturated or trans fats. Refined carbs like white bread and sugary cereals cause blood sugar spikes. And of course, alcohol. Even moderate drinking is toxic to liver cells, leading to serious issues over time. So what should you do? Embrace a Mediterranean-style diet like colorful fruits. Worried your diet could be harming your liver? Why wait for lab tests when you could check what's happening right now for free at ubiehealth.com? The Ubie Symptom Checker is the only free doctor-approved AI trusted by 12 million users. And don't forget to tap, like, and follow for more real health tips you can trust.